Listen up. Are you a busy professional always complaining about no time to cook but desperate to lose weight? Enough with the excuses. Today I'll prove you can eat amazing, healthy food without spending hours in the kitchen. We're ditching bland diet meals for bold, delicious flavors that fire up your metabolism. I'll arm you with 3 powerhouse, high-protein, low-carb recipes on your plate in minutes. No more whining. Get ready to transform your body and your dinner plate. Let's get started. First up, let's dive into the Smoky Chipotle Turkey Skillet, your new weeknight weapon for fast, flavorful and healthy eating. This dish is all about bold taste, minimal effort and maximum nutrition, making it perfect for anyone with a packed schedule who refuses to compromise on flavor or results. Start by grabbing some ground turkey. It's a lean, high-quality protein that not only helps build muscle and burn fat, but also keeps you feeling full and satisfied long after your meal. Turkey is a fantastic alternative to higher-fat meats, and it's super versatile for all kinds of recipes. Heat up a large skillet over medium-high heat, then drizzle in a touch of olive oil. Once the oil shimmers, add your ground turkey. Use a spatula to break it up into small pieces, letting it brown evenly. This step is key for developing that delicious, savory base flavor. Now, it's time to bring the flavor. Sprinkle in chipotle powder for a smoky kick, smoked paprika for depth, cumin for earthiness, garlic powder and onion powder for that classic savory punch, and don't forget a generous pinch of salt and freshly cracked black pepper. These spices transform simple turkey into something truly crave-worthy. As the spices hit the pan, you'll notice the aroma instantly fills your kitchen. Let those spices wake up your senses and infuse the turkey with layers of smoky, spicy and savory notes. This is where the magic happens. Don't rush it. While the turkey cooks, dice up a mix of colorful bell peppers, red, yellow, and orange. These not only add a satisfying crunch and vibrant color, but they're also loaded with vitamins and antioxidants. Toss them into the skillet and give everything a quick sauté, just until the peppers are slightly tender but still bright and crisp. Next, add in some rinsed black beans. They're a powerhouse of plant-based protein and fiber, which means they'll help keep you full and energized. Plus, they add a creamy texture that balances the smoky, spicy turkey perfectly. Stir everything together, making sure the beans and peppers are evenly distributed throughout the turkey. Take a moment to appreciate the explosion of colors in your skillet. This is healthy eating at its most appetizing. To finish, squeeze in the juice of a fresh lime. This brightens up the whole dish, cutting through the richness and tying all the flavors together. Lime juice is a simple touch that makes a big difference, adding freshness and zing. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning to your liking. Maybe a little more salt, a dash of extra chipotle for heat, or a sprinkle of black pepper. Remember, you're the chef. Make it perfect for your palate. Serve your smoky chipotle turkey skillet straight from the pan, or spoon it into a bowl. Top generously with freshly chopped cilantro for a burst of herbal freshness. You can even add a dollop of Greek yogurt or a few slices of avocado if you want to take it up a notch. This is fast food, redefined, high protein, low carb, and absolutely bursting with flavor. It's a meal that fuels your body, satisfies your taste buds, and fits perfectly into any weight loss or healthy lifestyle plan. Forget about those sad, bland salads or boring diet meals. This skillet is proof that eating for results doesn't mean sacrificing taste or enjoyment. Every bite is packed with flavor, color, and nutrition. And the best part? It's all done in one pan, which means minimal cleanup. From start to finish, you'll have a delicious, nourishing meal on the table in under 10 minutes, leaving you more time for everything else in your busy life. Want to mix it up? Swap the turkey for ground chicken or lean beef, or toss in a handful of fresh spinach or kale for extra greens. This recipe is endlessly adaptable, so you can make it your own every time. Remember, you're in control, not just of your health, but of your time and your meals. With a little planning and the right recipes, you can eat well, feel great, and still keep up with your busy schedule. This skillet is your go-to solution for those hectic nights when you want something quick, nourishing, and satisfying. It's perfect for meal prep, family dinners, or solo nights when you need a boost of energy and flavor. No more excuses, just smart, delicious eating that supports your goals. Prep a double batch and you'll have healthy lunches or dinners ready to go for days. That's what SlimSync is all about, empowering you to take charge of your weight loss journey, one delicious meal at a time. Every healthy choice adds up, and this skillet is a step in the right direction. Ready for the next dish? Wipe down that pan, gather your ingredients, and let's keep the momentum going. Healthy, tasty meals are just minutes away. Think weight loss means boring food? Think again. Healthy eating doesn't have to be bland, repetitive, or uninspired. In fact, some of the most delicious meals you'll ever taste can be made right in your own kitchen, with just a handful of fresh ingredients and a little know-how. Today, we're going to prove that you can enjoy restaurant-quality flavors, even on a busy weeknight, without sacrificing your health goals or spending hours in the kitchen. Let's make garlic Parmesan Lemon Salmon with asparagus. Restaurant quality, lightning fast. This dish is a perfect example of how simple ingredients can come together to create something truly special. It's packed with protein, loaded with nutrients and bursting with flavor, all while being low in carbs and calories. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or to impress a guest, this recipe is sure to become a favorite in your healthy meal rotation. Start with a fresh salmon fillet. Pat it dry, season with salt and pepper. This step is key for getting that perfect crispy skin and locking in moisture. Heat a little olive oil in a pan over medium-high heat. When the oil shimmers, gently lay the salmon skin side down. Don't move it. Let it sear and develop a golden, crispy crust. The aroma alone will make your kitchen feel like a five-star restaurant. While the salmon cooks, grab a bunch of fresh asparagus. Snap off the woody ends. They'll naturally break where they're tender. Toss the asparagus with a drizzle of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a crack of black pepper. When the salmon is about halfway cooked, carefully flip it over. Push the fillet to one side of the pan and add the asparagus. This way, everything cooks together, soaking up those incredible flavors. Now add a generous spoonful of minced fresh garlic to the asparagus. Let it sizzle for just 30 seconds. Garlic burns quickly, so keep an eye on it. Next, squeeze the juice of a fresh lemon over the salmon and asparagus. The citrus will brighten the dish and help cut through the richness of the fish. For an extra punch of flavor, toss a few lemon slices into the pan and let them caramelize. They'll add a subtle sweetness and look beautiful on the plate. By now, your salmon should be just cooked through, flaky and moist, not dry. The asparagus should be tender crisp, still vibrant green. Take a block of Parmesan cheese and grate it generously over both the salmon and asparagus. As the cheese hits the hot pan, it melts into a savory golden crust, infusing every bite with nutty, salty goodness. Turn off the heat and let everything rest for a moment, allowing the flavors to meld. Carefully plate the salmon and asparagus, spooning over any pan juices and caramelized lemon slices. If you have fresh parsley, chop it up and sprinkle it on top for a burst of color and freshness. What you've created is more than just a meal. It's a balanced plate full of high-quality protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It's satisfying, nourishing, and absolutely packed with flavor, all while being low in carbs and calories. This is the kind of food you'd expect to pay top dollar for at a fancy restaurant, but you made it yourself, in minutes, with minimal fuss. There's no deprivation here, just smart, delicious eating that supports your goals and leaves you feeling energized and satisfied. Meals like this prove that healthy eating can be both indulgent and practical, even on your busiest days. So, next time you're tempted to order takeout, remember that this dish is not only faster but also better for you. Cooking meals like this at home builds confidence, not just in your kitchen skills, but in your ability to take charge of your health and well-being. Ready to enjoy your masterpiece? Let's dig in and celebrate the power of good food made simple. Last up, we have the spicy herb chicken and quinoa power bowl, a 10-minute energy boost that's as vibrant as it is nourishing. This bowl is designed for anyone who wants a quick, delicious meal that doesn't compromise on nutrition or flavor. Whether you're powering through a busy workday, recovering after a workout, or just craving something fresh and satisfying, this recipe is your new go-to. Start by taking a boneless, skinless chicken breast and cutting it into bite-sized pieces. This not only helps the chicken cook faster, but also ensures every bite is perfectly seasoned and easy to eat. If you're meal prepping, you can even cut up several breasts at once and store them for later in the week. Next, flash marinate the chicken. Toss the pieces in a bowl with a generous drizzle of olive oil, then add dried oregano, basil, a pinch of red pepper flakes for heat, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and freshly cracked black pepper. The olive oil helps the herbs and spices stick, while the quick marinade infuses the chicken with bold aromatic flavors in just a few minutes. Heat a skillet over medium-high until it's nice and hot, then add the marinated chicken. Sear the pieces, letting them develop a golden, flavorful crust. This step locks in the juices and gives the chicken a satisfying texture. Cook until the chicken is cooked through, about 5 to 6 minutes. Then, set aside to rest. For the base, use pre-cooked quinoa. These convenient pouches are a lifesaver. Just pop one in the microwave for 90 seconds, and you have fluffy, protein-packed grains ready to go. Quinoa is a complete protein, making it a fantastic choice for a balanced meal. While the chicken rests and the quinoa heats, whip up a quick salsa. Dice up some juicy cherry tomatoes, crisp cucumber, and a bit of red onion for sharpness. This fresh salsa adds crunch, color, and a burst of flavor to your bowl. Toss the diced veggies with a squeeze of fresh lime juice, a handful of chopped cilantro, and season with salt and pepper. The lime brightens everything up, while the cilantro brings a fresh, herby note that ties the salsa together. Now, it's time to assemble. Start with a generous scoop of quinoa as your base, layer on the spicy herb chicken, then top with a big spoonful of your homemade salsa. The combination of warm grains, savory chicken and cool, zesty salsa is unbeatable. For healthy fats and a creamy texture, add a few slices of ripe avocado. Avocado not only tastes amazing, but also helps keep you full and satisfied for hours. Sprinkle over some crumbled feta cheese for a tangy, salty kick. Feta pairs perfectly with the herbs and adds a Mediterranean flair to the bowl. What you get is a perfectly balanced meal. Lean protein from the chicken, complex carbs from the quinoa, healthy fats from the avocado, and a rainbow of fresh veggies. Every ingredient works together to fuel your body and keep your taste buds happy. This bowl is ideal for refueling after a tough workout, or as a midday pick-me-up when you need sustained energy. It's portable, easy to pack, and tastes just as good cold as it does warm. Every bite is exciting, crunchy, creamy, spicy, and fresh. And the best part? You can have this entire meal ready in just 10 minutes, start to finish. Don't be afraid to use shortcuts like pre-cooked grains and quick marinades. These time savers make healthy eating realistic, even on your busiest days. The beauty of this power bowl is how customizable it is. Swap the chicken for tofu or shrimp, try brown rice or farro instead of quinoa, or mix up the veggies and herbs to suit your mood. Add a drizzle of hot sauce, or a sprinkle of seeds for extra crunch. Say goodbye to bland, boring diet food. This is how you eat for health, energy, and flavor. With a little planning and a few smart shortcuts, you can enjoy meals that are as exciting as they are nourishing. Let's wrap this up. 3 high-protein meals, 0 excuses. Smoky Chipotle Turkey Skillet, garlic Parmesan Lemon Salmon, spicy herb chicken power bowl. All fast, flavorful, and designed for fat loss. Healthy eating isn't complicated or time-consuming. It's about smart choices and fresh ingredients. You have the power to transform your body starting in your kitchen. These recipes are your new secret weapons for a leaner, healthier you. You can have delicious food, rapid results, and more time for life. Like, Scrody Wooder Stelling Stand, Wooder So, Soid Ar Owen Fine, Ori Bowie Beberskan, Orly Bime, Wordy Bodin Dan Strody Bowie Bite. And turn on notifications for more SlimSync fast weight loss meal ideas. Now get in the kitchen and start cooking.